So what's up, everyone? And OpenAI's just dropped some massive announcement in DevDay 2025, and honestly, some of the stuff that they have really released can shut down a lot of startups. So let's talk about it. So we are talking about apps running inside ChatGPT. So essentially, it's a Play Store or App Store, a complete agent building toolkit, and the GPT-5 Pro hitting the API, so you can call it through APIs now. So let's break down everything that has happened. So first one is of course apps inside GPT, the game changer that they are calling it. See, so I don't know if it is copyrighted or not. You can see the demo. They have launched something that they have been trying to perfect for a long time and for years you will also say. So app that run directly inside the chat GPT. So they tried this is their third attempt, to be honest, after plugins and GPTs, custom GPT. But this time it's different. It's apps from Spotify, as you can see, like from Spotify, Zillow, Canva, and all those. So you can see it can chat with those apps that help you do more. Like you can talk to Canva, can you turn this outline into a text? So it will turn it into that. So this is their final attempt. You have seen it do a lot of these things previously. The Expedia also they have. So you can like, right now Spotify, Zillow, Canva, Coursera, and more work directly inside ChatGPT. You can say Spotify make me a workout playlist and it will do that. And it happens right inside the chat. It's built on open source model context protocol, also called as MCP, the buzzword now. So apps can appear as lightweight cards there and expand to full screen or run picture in picture also. So there is a apps SDK, so developer can now build app that integrate seamlessly with ChatGPT. This is available in preview today, and monetization can come later this year. So it reaches over 800 million weekly ChatGPT users as of now. So this isn't just another app store, it's ChatGPT evolving to what they call something that feels like an operating system, or you can say work OS or life OS, something like that. Well, that was the first part. So this was the one I was talking about, apps SDK. So later this year, they will start accepting app submission for publication. So this one there is there. You can check it out there. So also Soda 2 and Soda 2 Pro is now available in API. Everything you can do inside it. And then comes AgentKit. So this is where it gets really interesting. So it is OpenAI's answer to making AI agent accessible to everyone, not just hardcore developers that are there. So a lot of starters that were in NetIn, automation, all those things, they kind of got killed in a process. So the agent builder is there now, drag and drop, canvas for creating multi-agent workflow, a chat kit that embeds chat interface you can customize and for your need, and a connector registry. So you centralized control for connecting various internal tools and data now, and it has enhanced inval, so means new tools for testing and optimize agent performance. So companies like Ramp built a precaution agent in hours instead of months like that. And live demo showed building a complete workflow in under 8 minutes. So it reduced the development time by 40% according to the early users that are there. So this is just basically OpenAI's bid to become the go-to platform for enterprise AI agents that they have been trying really hard for. So I'll just show you what they have shown. See, start is there. So if you have used NA10 and Zephyr, you already know how these things work. So this is just overview of what they have shown that. And now the big one also, the GPT-5 Pro is now available in API. And also, before that, I'll just tell you that Codex goes the mainstream. So OpenAI's coding assistant Codex is no longer a research preview; is fully available to everyone. So Stack integration for team collaboration is there, enterprise control for security and compliance is there, and Codex SDK for developer is also there. And it's also 10x uses increase since the early August where it was revealed. And the live demo was really insane. They connected codecs to a Xbox controller and let it have a controlling a camera while building a voice assistant, controlling the light. So that was really crazy. So in the last 10 minutes, as I was showing right now, OpenAI dropped four major model updates. So GPT-5 Pro, most advanced reasoning model level as they call it, and 2070, I'll just say 272K max output tokens, doubles the GPT-5's limit, and is built for high accuracy tasks in finance, legal, and healthcare. But it's very expensive. Like one user paid 1.1 $10 for a single SVG generation. So it is expensive. And also Soda 2 is an API, as I told you. It's now available for developers, and you can also integrate video creation directly into the apps. And GPT Real Time Mini is also there. So 40% cheaper than the previous voice model. Same quality and expressiveness that it had with a lower cost. And GPT Image 1 Mini is also revealed. So it's 80% cheaper image generation model. So now if you'll see all the deck, it made one thing really clear. And see the benchmarks also. Like, wait, I'll just zoom it out for you. It'll load for a bit. So while this will load, I'll just tell you one thing that it had made one thing really clear that OpenAI is going full in on enterprise customers. So collaboration with Spotify, Zillow, Mattel, and more. So apps can access user data with proper permission now, and the focus is shifting towards building the best enterprise platform. So as the CEO also said that you should expect a huge focus from us on really learning into the enterprise. So they are doing that. So and they also showed about their incredible growth that they had. So 4 millions developer building with OpenAI as of now, and 800 plus million weekly chat GPT users. That's insane. And 6 billion token processed per minute through the API. That's again a huge amount of number. So they are getting the data and they are trying to go into the enterprise space now. So what does this all of these things means for you? So for developers building AI agent just got way easier with AgentKit, and Apps SDK open up a massive contribution channel through ChatGPT, and the new models they have released provide more power and cost effective options that will be there. And for business enterprise AI adoption is about to accelerate, and integration opportunity through the apps ecosystem will increase, and the agent building tools will be more accessible. And for the users part, ChatGPT is evolving into a platform now. It's more sophisticated AI models will be there through the API, and a more integrated experience with your favorite apps will be there. So as I was talking about this, so GPT-5 Pro, you can see it outperformed a lot of models, 89.4%, while answering a PhD level science question. So compared to GPT-5, it's been a huge increase. And this is competitive math. You can also see it's a huge jump from 5 with Python without, and it's also there. So with that being said, if insight like these gets you excited by AI and data, I've got resources that you actually want to turn it into a career, you can do that. So you can start with my resource pack that will give you a resume and mini project. You can grab it in the link below. It's called Starter Pack. And then full resource pack, like these kind of resources, more than 2K sources will be there. You can grab it if you are serious about learning these things one on one. So I also have a mentorship. You can check it out. Again, the link will be in description. And if you are trying to apply to AI jobs and not getting any result, we have launched AI Career Engine that has resume critic, JD, Still Ring, and ATS code scanner. So all this in AI Career Engine, our in-house product, is also there. You can check it out. And Shivai's our official website is also live at shivai.app. You can also check it out. So if you want to follow along for my journey, you can check it out on X or Instagram, that is Sapathi Aditya Prakash, for daily updates on what I'm doing, what kind of things that are getting in this speed. So every link is a step closer to AI and data. So pick what suits your goal and let me know. And drop a comment if you want to deep dive into any particular announcement or anything. And do subscribe for more updates. I'll see you guys in the next one.